Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear learners of class 11 of Noakhali Government College, Assalamu alaikum. I hope and pray that all of you are keeping safe and sound by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Muhammad Kamrul Hassan, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Noakhali Government College. I welcome you to the realm of Noakhali Government College, and I congratulate you for getting chance to be admitted in Noakhali Government College, because to be a student of Noakhali Government College is a dream of many students. Many students tried to be admitted in Noakhali Government College, but they did not get chance. I think you are lucky enough to be a part of Noakhali Government College. So I congratulate you on your success to be the student of Noakhali Government College. Before starting my class, I want to introduce our college to you. As you are a student of Noakhali Government College, you should have some idea, you should have some information regarding Noakhali Government College. Noakhali Government College was established in 1963, and it has two campuses, Old Campus and New Campus. Old Campus is to the west of Majdi Bazar, and it is about 1 kilometer from Majdi Bazar. And another campus, we have another campus that is we term as New Campus, and New Campus is located to the east of Majdi Bazar, and it is also about 1 kilometer from Majdi Bazar. Dear students, your classes are generally held in Old Campus, which is to the western side of Majdi Bazar, and in New Campus the classes of honors, masters and degree students are held. Our intermediate campus is totally separate from that of New Campus. Okay, in Old Campus you have a 3-storied building, and we have also 3 or 4 other structures where you will enjoy classes. We have also a beautiful newly built hostel for male students in Old Campus, and we have also a large playground in front of the academic, in front of the building of Old Campus. Okay, in New Campus we have arts building, science building, academic building, degree building, business studies building, and we have a large auditorium, a rich library, and we have also a large playground for the students of Noakhali Government College. In New Campus we have also a hostel for female students, and there is a large pond in front of the hostel. We have 2 mosques in 2 campuses where where Muslim students can perform their religious activities. Okay, in our college there are 102 posts for the teachers, and at present, so far I know, 86 teachers are working in Noakhali Government College. Professor Al Halal Muhammad Mosharraf Hussain sir is our principal. He is a learned man. He is a man of dynamic and charismatic leading personality. He is a great leader. And we have also our vice principal, madam, and her name is Professor Salma Akhtar. In our college, we have honors in 17 subjects and masters in 14 subjects. We have also degree first year, second year and third year in our college. Okay, now I want to introduce my department, that means English department. In our English department, we have 5 teachers. Professor Muhammad Ismail Hussain is the head of the department. We have an associate professor named Kaisar Ahmed, and thirdly, this is Muhammad Kamrul Hassan, assistant professor, and fourthly, we have 2 lecturers, and one is ASM Waliuddin and another lecturer is Muhammad Hatem Ali. Okay, now I want to go to our class. Today I want to give you some information about your syllabus. In your intermediate syllabus, you will have 2 papers in English, and they are English first paper and English second paper. English first paper contains 100 marks and English second paper also contains 100 marks. We have no practical or viva or something like that. You have to write 100 marks in English first paper and 100 marks in English second paper. In English there is no practical or viva or something like that. Okay, in our college, in Noakhali Government College, under the supervision of our dynamic principal sir, we are conducting 4 major exams. In first year, you will have to sit for half yearly exams, annual examination, and in second year, you will have to appear at pre-test exam and test exam. These are the 4 major exams in your academic year. Besides those 4 major exams, you will have to sit for 4 evaluation tests in first year and 2 evaluation tests in second year. Besides those exams, we will conduct some other class tests, etc. So, during this corona crisis, we will conduct our classes through online system. So, you will have to be connected to our Facebook page, that is Noakhali Government College. The name of our Facebook page is Noakhali Government College. Noakhali, it English. It should be written in English. It is written in English. All the 3 letter of Noakhali Government College are in capital. You should search it and like it. You should like it so that you can be connected with Noakhali Government College, and you will get every information regarding Noakhali Government College from this Facebook page. I repeat, the name of our Facebook page is Noakhali Government College. Unfortunately, there are some other pages in the name of Noakhali Government College which are not conducted by us. Our official Facebook page is Noakhali Government College. Okay, you should like it and be connected with Noakhali Government College. So at the very beginning, I want to share the syllabus of English first paper and English second paper. In your board exam, you will have to sit for English first paper 100 marks and English second paper 100 marks. So you should have clear idea about the marks distribution and syllabus of English first paper and English second paper. Okay, look at the board. Syllabus of English first paper. In English first paper, we have two parts. Part 1, that is reading, and part 2, that is writing. Part 1, reading, contains 60 marks, and part 2, writing, contains 40 marks. Okay. Now, what are the elements or what are the topics in your English first paper syllabus in which you will sit for board exam? Okay, number 1, you have a textbook of English first paper where you will get 15 units. In English first paper textbook, you will get 15 units. From those units, we will find 3 scene comprehensions. From the textbook, we will get 3 scene comprehensions. First scene comprehension, from first scene comprehension, we will get 15 marks. Okay. From second scene comprehension, we will get 10 marks. And from the third comprehension or poem, here we can get a passage or a poem, and you will get 10 marks in this section. Okay. Number 4 and 5. Here you will get cloze test with clues and cloze test without clues. Cloze test with clues and cloze test without clues, that is vocabulary. You will get 5 marks from cloze test with clues, and you will get 10 marks from cloze test without clues. And then question number 6, rearranging sentences. In this item you will get 10 marks. In rearranging sentences you will get 10 marks. Okay, now let's move to part 2, and it is named writing. In writing part you will get 40 marks. Here question number 7, in question number 7 you will get writing paragraph answering questions. You will have to write a paragraph answering some questions. This paragraph contains 10 marks. Next, you will have to complete a story. There will be an incomplete story in the question paper, and you will have to complete it using your own words. That is where you will get mark 7. And number 9, question number 9, informal letter or informal email. This is another item, and this item carries 5 marks. Next, question number 10, analyzing map, graph or chart. There will be a map or graph or chart in the question paper, and you will have to analyze this, and it will contain 10 marks. And finally, question number 11, appreciating poem or story. Here you may have a poem or a story. Generally, the poem is selected for this item, and in this section the poem comes from the textbook, generally comes from the textbook. And in your textbook of English first paper, there are 12 poems. In most cases, poems for appreciation are selected from the textbook. In some cases, in some board questions, we have seen that sometimes poems are selected from out of the textbook. Besides poems, there may be a passage or a story instead of poem. There may be a story or a passage. Okay, this is the 100 marks of English first paper. Now let's move to English second paper. English second paper, part 1 এর নাম হচ্ছে গ্রামার। ইংলিশ সেকেন্ড পেপার পার্ট 1 grammar. Okay, in your English second paper you will get 100 marks, and in second paper also there are 2 parts, part 1 grammar and part 2 composition. In grammar you will get 60 marks. There are 12 grammatical items in this part, and each grammatical item contains 5 marks. Okay, and 12 items, each item containing 5 marks. That means you will have to answer 60 marks from grammatical part. And in English, in part 2, that means composition, you will get 40 marks in composition part. Now I am telling you the items of grammar in your English second paper syllabus. Okay, number 1, articles. Number 2, prepositions. Number 3, special use of some words or phrases. Okay, special use of some words or phrases. Number 4, completing sentences. Number 5, right form of verbs. Right form of verbs. Number 6, changing sentences. That means তোমরা যাকে transformation of sentence হিসেবে চিনো, that is changing sentences. And number 7, changing speech or narration. Changing speech or narration. Number 8, pronoun referencing. Pronoun referencing. Okay. Number 9, modifiers. Number 10, sentence connectors. Number 11, synonyms and antonyms. Number 12, punctuation marks. Okay, these are the 12 items of grammar in your English second paper syllabus. Each grammar contains 5 marks. That means you will have to sit for 60 marks in grammar part. Okay, so you should give more emphasis on grammar so that you can carry good marks in English second paper. Okay, next, part 2. Part 2 in English second paper. Part 2 in English second paper is composition. In composition part, you will get 40 marks. Okay. Number 13. As we have 12 grammatical items, so now the question number is 13. In English second paper, question number 13 contains formal letter or email. Formal letter or email. And this item contains 8 marks. Number 14, report writing. Report writing for newspaper. That means writing report for newspaper, and it contains 8 marks. Number 15, writing paragraph. Writing paragraph, it contains 10 marks. And number 16, free writing. Free writing, and it contains 14 marks. That means here we will get 4 items and the marks will be 40 marks. This is the syllabus of English second paper. So I think you are now clear about the syllabus and marks distribution of English first paper and English second paper. Now we have distributed syllabus according to our own plan. The marks distribution which I have narrated to you is for board examinations or final examination. But in our internal exam, we will select both English first paper and second paper. In first year, we will read both English first paper and second paper, and in second year also we will read both English first paper and second paper. That means in the question paper, in a single question paper, you will get both English first paper and second paper simultaneously. Okay. So now I am sharing the syllabus of your half yearly exam. You should write it down, or you should listen to me carefully. Now I am sharing the syllabus of half yearly exam. Syllabus of half yearly exam. Okay, half yearly exam. You know, in first year you will have to sit for half yearly exam and annual examination, and in second year you will have to sit for pre-test exam and test exam. Okay, now syllabus of half yearly exam. Half yearly exam is the mixture of English first paper and second paper. Half yearly exam is the mixture of English first paper and English second paper. Okay, from English first paper you will get scene comprehension. Scene comprehensions. That means scene comprehensions are selected from the textbook, and you will have to read unit 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These 5 units are selected for half yearly exam, and from these 5 units you will get scene comprehensions. Then come cloze test with clues, test with clues and without clues. These two items will also be selected from the passages of your textbook. We are trying to give more emphasis on the textbook. That is why we have decided to make vocabulary questions or cloze test with clues and without questions from the textbook. But in board questions there may be different. In board questions, cloze test with clues and without clues may come from the textbook or out of the textbook. Okay, next, completing a story. Completing a story. That means we will select, we will write some lines of a story, and you will have to complete it. And this item contains in your question number 3. And next, question number 4, informal email. In your half yearly exam you will get informal email. Okay, then you will get analyzing maps, graph, charts, graph and chart, graph or chart, and you will get appreciating poems. Appreciating poems. These items are selected from English first paper for your half yearly exam, and you will have to answer from English second paper also. So you should know your syllabus of English second paper for half yearly exam. Okay, you will get 4 grammatical items in this half yearly exam. You know, there are 12 grammatical items in your total syllabus of English second paper, but in half yearly exam we will select only 4 grammatical items, that is articles, number 2 prepositions, number 3 special use of some words or phrases, and number 4 completing sentences. Okay, these 4 grammatical items will be are selected for your half yearly exam syllabus. So I think you are now clear about your half yearly exam syllabus of English first paper and English second paper. Okay, my dear learners, as it is your first class with me, I have tried my level best to share your syllabus both for board exams and for internal exams of Noakhali Government College. You should attend classes regularly through online system. Our Facebook page is, I repeat, our Facebook page is Noakhali Government College. You should like the page and you should be connected to Noakhali Government College. You will get all kinds of informations regarding Noakhali Government College only in this Facebook page. That is why it's a must for you to like this page. The name of the page is Noakhali Government College. I spell the name of Noakhali Government College Noakhali, N capital letter. Government, 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 G capital. And finally college, College, C capital letter. Okay, I think as it is our first class, I should not lengthen my speech, otherwise it will become boring for you. As it is our first class, we will stop now. No more today. You should try to maintain the rules of hygiene. You should not go outside of your home without any reason. And if you go outside home for some reasons, you should maintain the rules of health, rules of hygiene. You must be maintained rules of hygiene. Okay. So no more today. Allah Hafiz. Hope to meet you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.